Okay, let's learn how to make our name symmetrically. To start with, you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it the long way. So line up the edges, fold, spread your fingers out so it doesn't wiggle, push to the middle, push up, push down. Now we're going to open it, and above the fold, you're going to write on the fold, you're going to write your name up here. We're going to use a pencil. We're going to push really, really hard because we're going to use the pencil to transfer to the other side. So I'm going to do mine very big for the first letters and smaller for the others. A, N, D, E, R, S, O, N. Okay. Now you can see I wrote it really dark with my pencil. I'm going to close my pencil, or close my paper. I'm going to rub. I can kind of see where my name is. I'm going to especially rub through where my name is. It's very light, so I'm going to do it a little harder. I use my fingernail. Right on top. There we go. You want to make sure that where you wrote it the first time is on top, and you're pushing down, like with your fingernail, on those actual letters. It's like carbon paper. Get that little zero. Okay, there it is. There's my name symmetrically. Just tap it a little to get off the extra pencil. I can see that well enough, so I'm just going to leave that, because the next step I'll do with a Sharpie or with a marker.